This is my baby or juvenile salmon pink bird eater. I'm going to feed her for the first time. She seems quite aggressive from when I enter the tank, so no handling just yet. 2 seconds. There's a close up. That bottle top was full of water, and that was in this corner which she burrowed in. As you can see, she is quite big. She's about 7 centimeters, or just a little. Give her a little, take a little maybe, and give her a small marrow in, and yeah, let's see how she goes. She getting back. Yeah, she's taking that right down. Yeah, she's gonna go crab leg. Looking at about 11 inches when fully grown. I'm saying she, but she hasn't confirmed sex yet. Hopefully she's a girl. I don't really want a boy. If she's a boy, I would plan on mating. Well, as I've already said, I don't know, so we'll have to wait till the time brings us. Yeah.